welcome back to a new video. How you're doing? Hope you're all well. So yesterday we spoke about the fact that we managed to find a bulb that was blown, that was hopefully causing like the fault issue on the dash. We're going to go out now and get a bulb from Halfords. We're going out in the van as well. We have got the jump starter just in case it dies. It hasn't died like we said since obviously when we picked the van up. This morning when I checked the battery it was at 12.51, which is a little low, it's not fully charged. So I don't really know. I've done like a parasitic draw test on like the terminals and stuff and I can't find anything, so maybe it's just a battery or something issue. So I'm going to go out anyway, see what happens, get the light, hopefully it sorts out the light on the dash, and then we can obviously go from there. But first things first, let's go to Halfords. Alright, so back at the farm now. I managed to sort out the fault light on the dash. It was literally just a blown bulb. When we checked it before, it hadn't blown, so the light had come on the dash before the bulb had actually blown, which is pretty clever, but that's all sorted. So that's one issue done. But Tabitha's actually took the van to go and pick up her mum's car from the garage. And because it's like a family friend, he's going to check like the depth charge on the battery, because I think the battery might be the issue. And he's also going to run a diagnostics test on it as well. So she's gone to do that, and while she's gone to do that, we have Robbie here.
Hello.
So he's come down to the farm, and I'm going to try and help him install his electrics in his van. We'll see how that goes, because it's a bit different to the electrics I did on the T5, but it's going to be similar to what we have in our Iveco, so it's pretty interesting. It'll be good to do, because then it's kind of like a trial run for when we do our van. So it should all be good, but I'm not going to do too much recording, just because I want to crack on and try and get as much done as we can. I'm just going to throw some time lapses on. Right, so rather than doing time lapses, I'm kind of just going to say what we're doing and show you after we've done it. So what we're actually doing is trying to fit a reversing camera up here. We've got to try and take that old light out and then wire in his reversing camera, which I have no idea. We're kind of going to wing it and just see how it goes really. It shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. But while we're all crammed up in here trying to get this out, Rocky's just chilling. A minute ago he was playing with his ball, so we got some entertainment with him.
And they said, buy a bigger van because you'll have loads of space to work.
Yeah, he's all crammed up in there. Yeah, he's literally gone from being too small to too tall, which for Rob, too tall is the first.
Come off again.
Next to you until
Right, so part one of fitting a reversing camera is done. The actual camera is in. It's not wired up yet, but at least the brake light's working, so he's legal. Now we just need to figure out how to run the camera cable around the van and then into the front, and then actually get it powered and stuff. So that's the next task to do. Right, so we've actually managed to get the camera all wired up at the back end. That's all done. Now it's come to the front end, and we need to try and wire in the screen, which is definitely looking like the hardest part, because we need to wire into a fuse or something like that down here in the fuse panel. So this is going to be, yeah, like I said, the hardest part out of fitting it all, but it'll be really good to do, like I said, the whole time, because then obviously I'll learn how to do it when we do it in our van as well, because we want a reversing camera in our van. But fingers crossed this goes all right and we don't wreck anything, because if we do, Rob's taking another trip to Peugeot. We have success on the reversing camera, managed to fit it all. We actually blew a fuse though in the moonlight while actually trying to do it. Just a stupid mistake really, but luckily we had a spare fuse in the back, so we pinched that, put it back in the front, and it is all working. Oh, it's not even showing up on my camera. What's going on here?
It's working.
What is that about? Look at the back of the screen.
It's weird.
But that is working. Ignore the blank screen, it is working. Yeah, even Rob can vouch for me, it is working.
It is working.
We're not,
even though he blew himself up.
yeah, we're not trying to lie to you or anything, it actually is working. For some reason it's just not showing up. That's strange.
Honest, it's working.
Yeah.
Has it gone yet?
Has it got you? Yeah, so this is like the mess that we've still got that we need to tidy up. But like I've just piggybacked off these two here. I'm going to insulate them with some tape and then try and like stash it all away so it's not this mess. Alright, so we've tidied it all up and it all works and it's all fitted fine. I'll quickly show you it to see if we can pick the screen up again, because it didn't pick up last time. But here we are. Is it picking it up? Yeah, we have actually light on the screen. So it's over there and it's all working fine. So it literally runs from there down the back of his seat, comes up there, through behind this and follows that cable, as you can see the black cable running back there. And the good thing is it wasn't hard to fit at all really compared to what I thought it was going to be. Even when Tabitha kept banging on about who's getting one in the VW, I didn't really want to do it, but it actually isn't that hard. But I'm looking forward to doing it in the Iveco because it helps out a lot, especially in the bigger van. But what we're going to do now is try and mount more electrics basically, so I'll flip it around a bit easier. So we've got the solar panel cables coming in from here. Rob's had done that a while ago. We're going to mount his bed on there, and then we're going to have a panel along here, and that's going to be like his electrical panel that we're going to mount all the electrics to, and we're going to make a start on that. Hopefully we can get quite a bit done today. He's got a little bit of time in the morning, and then I think he's going to come back in a couple of days time. We're going to try and finish it off then. But let's see how much we can get done now, because obviously the more we get done, the better.
Shine on me, shine on me.
Alright, so what we've managed to get done so far is, I can't remember when we last updated you, but we've got the beam in for the bed, we've got a backboard in as well. This is all secured down now. This is where we're laying out the electrics. We've got the solar charger, and then we've got the B2B, and then we've got that's the actual breaker box, which obviously is not set up yet. I'm pretty sure that, like, I've never ran, or I've never seen these like run together. They obviously have been done. It's not like they're not been done. It's just I haven't actually seen it. So obviously the solar power comes into your smart charger, and then I'm gathering the positive goes into your B2B, and then that goes back to your battery, because obviously it has to run through this. Or I'm not too sure, to be honest. I need to do a bit of research before I actually link all that up. But that's all set up there. All the batteries are set up in parallel now, and then I'm literally just going to make a grounding point and then ground it, and then we can start kind of linking all this together. Yeah, so we'll keep you updated as and when we do more things.
Shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Right, so we've hit a roadblock. We can't go any further than what we've done right now. I'll flip the camera around and show you where we've actually got to, and then speak you through obviously the issues that we've got. So this is where we've got to. I've got the batteries fitted in. They're all connected up and stuff, and then we've managed to get like 90% of the solar panel stuff set up. So I've got a positive cable coming up to a fuse breaker, into the B2B, and then into the Victron smart charge controller. I think that's set up right. They both came in a kit, so I gather the solar panel goes into that one, and then comes into this one before going into the battery. So I gather that's how it's supposed to be set up. If it's not, let us know in the comments, because this video might actually go live before I finish it off. So yeah, let me know that. But the issue we've found is I need another one of these that's like a 10mm hole, and this isn't big enough basically. So I can't go any further because I need to get an earth from there over to there, and I can't do that without one of them connectors there. So Rob's ordered some of them from Amazon, and they're coming Thursday, so that's when we're going to be able to finish it off. But now we've got some chicken burgers cooking, and we're going to start a little fire and have a little bonfire and have a few beers and chill out. We've got the fire going, we're all chilling around. How was dinner tea? She's drinking.
It was good. You're making me look like an alcoholic.
Yeah. Rob's drinking lager.
I've got blueberry and apple cider.
Yeah. I'd
Can't
rather
believe
have
you've
cider.
given me lager. I'm going to be going fighting down the local beer.
But yeah, we're going to chill out next to this fire, keep nice and warm, have a few drinks and have a laugh really. But I think we're going to end the video here anyway. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.